Hello guys, if you've been following my channel, I've noticed there's quite a few subscribers coming in, okay, and I bid you welcome. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go into an aerial, okay. This aerial, bearing in mind I'm indoors, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to do one loop here and flick it over your shoulder, okay, like so. Look, one loop and flick. Alright, one loop, flick. So when you can get that going, you can flick it over. You can keep this going. Okay. Then another thing which I want to show you, basically it's a modified version of figure 8. That's a standard one. My version looks like this. Okay, so what you're doing is you're going under your hand here, doing a wrist roll, sliding it over here, going under the hand to pass it like so. See how I'm going under the hand to pass it, so I'm exchanging it to the other hand. I'm doing a wrist roll, and I'm going over here, under the hand, exchange, wrist roll. So when you can get that going, marvellous. Just another quick one. What I want you to do is you're holding in your left hand, your right hand, you're going to go underneath your thumb, so I want you to throw it underneath your thumb, okay, and I want you to get it to roll, okay. When you can get it to roll, alright, that's good, because what then I want you to do is I want you to move your arm in a circular motion whilst the nunchuck is spinning around your finger. Like so. You're going to stop it here, you're going to wrist roll, and you're going to throw it over your other thumb and bring the nunchuck to the floor. So basically what I'm doing, okay, is I'm bringing it up, it's spinning, wrist roll, flick, dumping it on this finger, wrist rolling down, wrist roll here, and go back into it. So if you watch, wrist roll, it's going down, wrist roll, wrist roll. See? So what I'm doing is I'm dumping it underneath my finger, okay, and I'm bringing my arm up. It's a very, very, very pretty move, but if you can get it like, sorry I haven't been here by the way as well guys, I've been extremely busy, extremely busy. As you know, I'm a father, you know, just everything's so hectic, so I thought I'd get this one out to you, alright, so watch. Stop, wrist roll. Put your thumb out here, and you're going to bring your thumb down, so you're bringing it down like so, you see? 1, 2. But yeah, you get me, okay? Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, please subscribe, please drop us a like, please drop us a comment. Remember, we've got that giveaway going on, so definitely check that out in the, I think it's called Friday Freestyle Giveaway. So be sure to check that out. If you live in the US, EU or UK, I'll post them to you. I've made one exception, I can't do it again, okay, and that it's going to Canada. If he wins, or if the others win, the other one wins, it's going to go to the US, but it's a nice little memento for you guys, so thank you. See you soon guys, bye.